Meaning of drinking fountain.
Drinking fountain.
Drinking fountain.
Drinking fountain.
Drinking fountain. A drinking fountain is a device that provides a stream of water for people to drink from. The fountain typically consists of a basin, a tap, and a spout. The user activates the tap or button, and water is delivered through the spout. Drinking fountains can be found in public places such as parks, schools, and airports, providing a convenient and accessible way for people to hydrate themselves. They are often designed with a focus on hygiene and durability, and may include features such as sensors and filters to improve the safety and quality of the water.